Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix overnight battery drain on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, the solution one is disable personal hotspot on your iPhone. So if you have enabled personal hotspot here, turn this personal hotspot off. After turning off personal hotspot, solution 2 is and the guys, solution 2 is enable focus on your iPhone. Tap on focus here, tap on sleep, so tap on choose, screen done, and apps. So enable focus at the night time. So after enabling focus, and another solution is guys, pause any pending downloads. So if you have any pending downloads at the night time, so delete all pending downloads here. So guys, the another solution is enable low power mode on your iPhone. Tap on settings, scroll down, tap on battery, enable low power mode here, go back, and another solution is guys, in the night time disable mobile data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi at the night time. So if you have enabled Bluetooth, mobile data and Wi-Fi at the night, so disable all the functions. And last solution is guys, go to settings, tap on general, tap on reset, and reset all your settings. It will not delete your data. So guys, after doing this all, it will fix your iPhone battery drain issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.